Boom! What is up, Wanderers? We are back with another one-take bag review, and today we are talking about the compact EDC sling from TomToc, and I know what you are probably thinking. Hey man, how many times are you going to review that bag? Well, I got a surprise for you today. Today we are not talking about this TomToc EDC compact sling bag. Today we are talking about the TomToc times U customizable sling bag builder. All right, so what am I talking about? Meet me over here in the computer. All right, so Wanderers, today we are talking about the customizable version of the EDC sling bag. And in order to do that, we are going to find the sling bag builder on the website. You can do that a lot of different ways. You can look at collections, you can shop by device, etc. Or you can wait a minute and boom, it pops up right here. The sling bag customization. TomToc times U. Okay. All right. So we are going to click on design or redesign in this case. And I want to show you kind of how I've built out my sling bag and all the options available to you. All right. So we're going to end up back in this place, but let's check out all the things we can do here. All right. With all the material choices, you've got a choice of the 1260D polyester or the matte coated finish. The matte coated is kind of a slick vinyl, and that's the same that I have in the white version of my sling bag. It's a nice material. It really is. Yeah, really nice. Okay. So let's check this out. Let's go with the 1260D. Yep. And let's go with the Hunter Green. When you click over to the right here, you'll see that you can switch to the next section that is customizable. In this case, the lower front. So upper front, then lower front. And look at all the different colors you can pick from. I thought about orange, honestly. I thought that might look good. I thought about the Oslo gray, which is kind of a lilac purple. I thought that looked good too. This was a little too purpley for me. The blue, the deep blue looks really good too. Ultimately, I landed on this Sahara sand, kind of tannish yellow color. I thought it looked really, really sweet. On the back, I went with orange. You know, what are all the available things? Again, remember, you can pick a wild and crazy color. You can pick something, you know, much tamer, like black. You can pick the matte coated fabric as well. That would be kind of really nice in that slick back section there. You know, I really like that reddish brick color. The gray looks good. The tan looks good as well. I went with the 1260D in the pumpkin orange for my sling. All right, buckle. You got a lot of choices here. You got the tried and true Duraflex. That is the typical buckle that you find on all your TomToc slings. I enjoy it. You can go with the Fidlock V, the Fidlock Slider, the Duraflex Slim as well. I think the Fidlock V is probably the most interesting choice here. But with a sling bag, I am much more of a fan of the Duraflex buckle. And I like the Fidlock for latches on larger backpacks. I like the Duraflex. It's tried and true, and it's what I'm used to on this size sling bag. That's what I stayed with on my sling. You then get to pick the color of your shoulder strap. This is a kind of a seatbelt material on the bag. I thought the green was a little bit too much green. I thought the orange was neat. But again, remember that you are here not just picking the shoulder strap, but picking the kind of side strap as well. And I didn't want that much of a pop of orange. I wanted this bag to be just a little bit more subtle. What I ended up going with was the cream color. Okay. And this, if you'll look, also impacts the color of your main zipper on the bag as well. So I went with this cream or sand color. Then you pick which color of logo you want on the bag. You can see all the different varieties and versions that you can add to the bag. You can pick something that kind of disappears. You can pick something that's a little bit flashier. Ultimately, I went with the black, and that matched the zipper pulls on the bag. So thought it looked really nice. The zipper pulls, by the way, not customizable. They're black. So then you've got the actual text section of the bag itself. You can put in anything you want. I, of course, put Wander because that is the name of the channel. All right, then that is your bag. You click on next step up here in the top right, and this is pretty fun. I appreciated that they did this. You can pick between here a black inner and a gray inner, which provides a little bit of contrast. So all of that, and you click done, and then you are looking at your price, $79.99. Now I do want to do one thing just to show you. We'll click through to the Fidlock, and we'll change to Fidlock, and next step, and done. And $79.99. So I just wanted to show you that the price of the buckle, which the Fidlock is a more expensive buckle, doesn't impact the overall price of the sling. So if you're worried about that, just get the buckle that you enjoy most. $79.99 is the locked-in price, regardless of the choices that you make. Okay, pretty interesting. All right, so how does the bag turn out? Are we happy with the quality? Because $79.99 is twice the price of the normal sling bag, which is around $43-ish. And it's a good, usable sling bag. This, by the way, is what the matte finish looks like, kind of a slick vinyl in white for this case. So, boom, here is the custom sling that I built. So you can see that it turned out almost exactly like what it looked like on the video itself. So we've got the really nice 1260D of the olive and the sand. The colors, I think, look completely true to what they did in the video, or excuse me, on the website. What do you think? Do you think it turned out exactly as it looked on the site? I think it looks, I mean, exactly spot on. The stitching looks exactly the same. The colors look exactly the same. So you can see that in the bag itself, you got the high contrast interior, black key leash. The gray looks really good on the inside of the bag with the pockets are still a black mesh. And you've got your back pocket here as well. The zipper on the back pocket, by the way, is the same zipper color as the top part, which is the same color as the strap itself. I am glad that I ended up going with the kind of normal buckle on this thing. I don't have to worry about it popping open. I don't have to... you lose the fun of the fidget factor of the Fidlock. I like messing with those buckles and clicking them, but it's never going to pop open on me, which I do enjoy that. So, what do you think? How did it turn out? What choices would you make building your own TomToc sling? And is it worth the price? You know, twice the money to customize the bag, put a little bit of bling right there in exactly the way that you want. I like it, and I do enjoy getting to make exactly the bag that I want. Two things that I would change about this process. Number one, man, I wish we could customize the interior color. I would go with like a sky blue interior color. I think that would be pretty dope. So TomToc, if you're listening, let's be able to change the inside color. And the second thing that I would change, TomToc, this is not my favorite bag that you make. The vertical compact EDC sling, the one that is sized up for the 11-inch iPad, that one that comes in that sexy champagne color, that's the one that I would like to be able to customize. So make my dreams come true. Make the dreams of all the wanderers out there come true. TomToc, if you are watching, let's get that larger version, the medium-sized sling, customizable as well. But everybody, I think you'll have a lot of fun building your own custom sling bag over on TomToc.com. Link in the video description as always. Hope you enjoyed getting a chance to see this new program from TomToc, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Wanderers, we will see you next time. Bye for now.